Good morning and welcome to your market update for Tuesday, May 12, 2026. The mood on Wall Street is decidedly bearish this morning. Red is the dominant color across your screens. So let's break it all down. Starting with the major indices. The S&P 500 is down 0.8%, sitting at 733.25. The Nasdaq is taking the hardest hit, falling 1.83% to 700.25. Tech is clearly under pressure today. The Dow Jones is holding up a bit better, down just 0.3% at 495.62. But make no mistake, sellers are in control this morning. Now let's look at the Magnificent 7 stocks. Tesla is the big story today, plunging 4% to $427.22. That is a significant move for a single session. Amazon is also sliding, down 1.54% to $264.84. Microsoft is off nearly 0.9%, trading at $409.02. Nvidia is dipping as well, down about 0.7% to $217.93. The one bright spot in the group is Apple. It's bucking the trend, gaining 0.6% to $294.67. Apple standing alone in the green today. Over to commodities. And this is where things get interesting. Gold is dropping 1.33% to $428.88. Silver is falling even harder, down just over 2% to 76.43. So even the safe havens are selling off today. Meanwhile, oil is surging. WTI crude is jumping 3.55% to $143.58 a barrel. That is a notable spike that could put added pressure on consumers and businesses alike. In the crypto space, it's more red. Bitcoin is down 1.42%, trading at $80,332. Ethereum is getting hit harder, falling nearly 3% to $2,264.47. Risk assets across the board are struggling this morning. Unfortunately, no Forex data is available for us today. We'll bring you those numbers as soon as they come in. Now let's hit the top headlines driving the conversation. The Wall Street Journal is reporting on this broad market sell-off. The Dow and Nasdaq opened lower while oil continues its climb. That rising oil price is something worth watching closely in the days ahead. CNBC is highlighting weakness in the housing market. April home sales came in below expectations. Higher mortgage rates are weighing heavily on buyers. That's another headwind for the broader economy. And on a lighter note, the New York Post is covering a wild story. A new Disney cruise ejected every single passenger after boarding. Families were left stranded thousands of miles from home. Not exactly the magic Disney usually promises. So to wrap it up, this is a rough morning for the bulls. Tech is leading the decline with Tesla and the Nasdaq taking the biggest hits. Oil is surging while precious metals and crypto are falling. The housing data adds another layer of concern. Keep an eye on oil prices as they push toward $144. Watch for any updates on mortgage rates and housing demand. And pay attention to whether Tesla can find a floor after today's sharp 4% drop. That's your morning market update. Stay informed, stay sharp, and we'll see you tomorrow.